crispy pork fried wontons. Let's start with a simple tomato cucumber salad. Rough chop the vegetables. Combine with salt, olive oil, rice wine vinegar, and a little splash of sesame oil. Mix that together, cover it up, and let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. For the filling, water chestnuts, carrot, and a green onion diced finely. Use the white part of the green onion for the filling and save the tops for the dipping sauce. Soy sauce, sesame oil, done. Mix the diced veggies with the ground pork, add a little bit of soy sauce. I didn't have any wonton wrappers, so I cut egg roll wraps into quarters. Place a small dollop of the filling in the middle, wet the edges with water or egg wash. Fold it into a triangle first, then pull the corners up and pinch firmly to seal on all sides. I used a deep fryer, about 5 to 6 minutes at 350 until golden brown. You can also boil these. Serve with the salad. The saltiness of that dipping sauce with the acidity of the salad pairs super well. Enjoy.